Designing title of the topic and creating a follow-unfollow buttons. So as the title of this lesson already said, we are going to create a simple title with a type tool. So grab a type tool by pressing T on your keyboard or this icon in the toolbox. Just click on it and write it down like technology. Make the text to Lado light. Looks okay. Black. I don't want to be like pure black, maybe a little bit bluish black, like 23, 26, 2A. Press OK. The sizing is perfect. Next thing, what we need to do is to grab a line tool and create our boundaries of the topic. So just drag it over like this. And now we can change the stroke, to change the fill, excuse me. So we could make it like a dark gray maybe. This one, 9B, 9F, A0. It looks alright. It looks really great. And I think we need to nudge the technology. And if you want to really measure your sizing between the lines, you can grab a rectangle marquee tool, zoom it over, press on this one. You see that we got this spacing. You can drag it over to the bottom and see what we got. We got exactly the same size, so we are perfect in this one. So the next thing we need to do is to create a follow and unfollow buttons, right? So we can grab our rounded rectangle tool and drag it over. We'll see what radius we need to make. So this one looks alright. The color, I want the color to be the same one as this, maybe a little bit darker. 3A, 9A, 5B9, this one. So grab this color, make it. Or maybe not. We need to stay with this color right here. 60B9DD. So as you can see, the working with Photoshop and designing the apps is all about the practice and practice and practice. And nothing is perfect, but the working with it, you see a lot of errors, a lot of design errors, and you can change it whatever you want, however you want. So now grab the type tool, Ctrl H to get rid of that lines of the shape, and now we need to set a follow. Alright, as you can see, the color should be white, and the sizing I don't really know right now. We will see. Seems reasonable, seems good enough. Seems really good enough, I think. What you think? So in this lesson we have created our follow button, and in the next lesson we are going to duplicate this technology field, and we are going to create a bunch of them to fill the extra space, and we create a unfollow button for this add topic screen. And also we are going to group the layers panel. So I hope I will see you there.